Should get a car a whole new feel. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG, man. Just going off the vibe right now. That shit fire. Fucks with it. Here's some better footage in the light, but as of right now, ignoring my headlights. As of right now, my main joint is I'm looking at the rawhide, right? I still got a nice little gap here in the rear, and as I come to the front, still got a nice little gap here. So what I think is I'm just gonna drop it a little bit. I want it to be flush. You know what I mean? I don't want to slam it, but definitely want it to be flush. So probably this right here, slightly gapless. So don't want to slam it, but I definitely want that fitment and function. So let's see what we got. Same thing back here. It's a nice gap. So let's drop it a little bit. Let's do it, team. Alright, team. So got the jam nut loose here. Use my span wrench. Again, I'm going in so I can adjust the rod height. I want to lower the front just a little bit so I can kind of fill the gap all the way with my new rims. So let's get it popping. You already know, team. Again, you're gonna have your 2 span wrenches. That's going to come with your TN coilover kit. Probably just gonna adjust it. Let's see, because it was up here, right? So that was decent. You go figure what to fill that gap we just saw. That should be about right. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 5 notches. Let's get it all the way down to the 5th one. And that should be it. That looks like nice size as far as dropping it, but maybe I'll drop it down to 3 officially. 1, 2, and I'll lock it in on the 3rd one and see how that feels. That should be it right there. Feeling confident about that. So we're gonna lock it down and get to it. And then let's lock it down there and we'll see what it looks like. I'll do the exact same thing to the other side and we'll check the rod height and see how we're looking. Hey team, you already know. So we got it dropped roughly exactly where I want it, man. Like, nice fitment. Shit is nice and tight. Could drop it a little bit lower in the front, but I don't want to get too crazy as of yet. But the back is really nice. That's how I like it to sit. So we sitting real nice right now. Sitting real nice and low. If I'm not mistaken, in the back, I'm about an inch and a quarter in the back, and in the front, when I measured it out. If I'm not mistaken, I was about almost 2 inches, 2.5 in the front. But yeah. So yeah, team. With the TN coilovers in the front, I can get 1.6 inches to 3.3 inches in the front, and in the rear, I can get 0.6 inches to 2 inches in the rear. So I still have plenty of space to drop it in the rear if I want. I still have plenty of space to drop it in the front if I want as well, just to slam it all the way to the ground. But I'm gonna go with fitment and function over the stance look and the slam look. So let's see what's up. Let's take it for a ride. Let's see how I feel. But you already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Stay locked and loaded, B. We in here, baby. A lot more getting ready to go down. You already know we in here. Got plenty more to go down. Got a few more goodies on the way. Now we can start really focusing up under the hood and a little bit more cosmetics. You know what I'm saying? Get a few things in order. So just stay locked and loaded. You already know. Buse VQ team. We in here. Let's go, baby.